Hey everybody, it's Albert Flynn DeSilver here, author of Writing as a Path to Awakening from Sounds True. And thank you so much for tuning in. I am so excited to tell you about my signature retreat of the year happening this year at Shambhala Mountain Center in Red Feather Lakes, Colorado. This is an extraordinary location. It's an amazing location. And I want you to join us. This is going to be an opportunity for you to go deep, to have time to write, to connect in creative community. There are going to be dynamic meditations. There are going to be innovative writing prompts and exercises, new processes that I want to lead you through to get deeper into your creative genius so that you can finish that book project, that you can reconnect to a journaling practice or a writing practice. You get to kind of create this time for you, whether you're working on a book project, a specific book project, a book of poems, a novel, whatever. You can apply the different exercises to your specific project. But maybe you're just coming to reconnect to your interior self, to explore your emotions, and to journal. And so it's available in whatever way that you want to connect in terms of the writing. You're going to meet some amazing people. You're going to be in an incredible location. It's this August 14th through 18th at Shambhala Mountain in northern Colorado. It's just a 2-hour short drive up into the mountains north of Denver. Very accessible. And you can register now. Registration is open. Go to albertflynndesilver.com. Again, it's albertflynndesilver.com. You can find a link to register on the Shambhala site there. This is a non-secular retreat, so you don't have to be a Buddhist, and it just happens to be a Buddhist retreat center, but it's a fabulous, beautiful place. You're gonna love it, and I hope you'll join us. Until then, live well, love well, and write well. And I look forward to seeing you in Colorado. Thanks so much always.